Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to our channel. I want you to see how Raila Odinga has received a very harsh reception to Gusii Stadium, where Shabana fans were expecting a match. And Raila Odinga was in Gusii Stadium, was in Gusii region, 2 days ago, where he was seeking consultation from Gusii leaders on what should be his next move. Ladies and gentlemen, while Raila was in Gusii, he despised the candidature of Fred Okengo Matiangi, saying that Matiangi cannot be elected on the basis of only Gusii votes. I think that a lot of Gusii people did not take lightly, because Gusii region for a very long time has been known as Raila Odinga strongholds. So today, when Raila Odinga was going to the Gusii Stadium, he received what he has never expected from such of his one of his strongholds. And the Gusii people have expressed their opinion, and I think Raila Odinga has learned something. These were the scenes from Gusii Stadium.
Watu wamekataa baba bwana.
Ladies and gentlemen, before I continue watching this channel for the first time, take a second to subscribe to our channel so that we can grow together. Ladies and gentlemen, again and again, I've always said that in 2027, the Gusii nation is going to vote for their own. If one can sit somewhere and think that they are going to vote for the Raila Odinga side, they are wrong. The Gusii people long time decided that in 2027, they are going to consolidate their votes behind Fred Okengo Matiangi, and they have been even campaigning for him in churches, in funerals, and they are consolidating the Gusii voting block to ensure that it reaches up to 1 million votes for Fred Okengo Matiangi. Ladies and gentlemen, what spearheaded the Gusii people coming together and fronting their own candidate is while Raila Odinga was asked to donate his experts to help President Ruto's government, he was given some CS positions, but he neglected the Gusii region. He took 2 CSs to Luo Nyanza, 1 to Western, 1 to the coastal region, and he never considered the Gusii region, which has been supporting him for quite a long time. And this is the basis of the Gusii people believing that in 2027 they should rather bring their own leaders. And that's when the Fred Okengo Matiangi campaign started, and people started to support Fred Okengo Matiangi. And the Gusii people are really serious about it, and they even say if Fred Okengo Matiangi won't be on the ballot, they will rather even front David Maraga and support his presidency. Ladies and gentlemen, 2027, the Gusii vote is already gone from the ODM party and the ODM side. And remember that in 2022, Nyamira managed to get a UPA governor. UPA is the party that is affiliated with Fred Matiangi, and now it's the party that is being affiliated with the Gusii region. It's going to be very surprising that in 2027, both Gusii County and Nyamira County are going to have a governor from the UPA party, especially if Fred Matiangi runs for presidency under the same party. And in 2027, we expect that even this party is now going to produce even members of parliament and members of the county assembly within the Gusii region and even outside the Gusii region. We will be waiting to see what happens. You can tell me what you think about that reception Raila Odinga has received in Gusii Stadium, because even within that reception, there was a chance that Ruto must go. What do you think about how did the Gusii people take the memorandum of agreement that happened between President Ruto and Raila Odinga some times back ago? Do you think it's what has sparked the reaction that has happened in Gusii Stadium? Because Gusii Stadium contains a very huge population of fans attending it. Remember that the Gusii Stadium or the Shabana fans is one of the largest support base in the entire country. In that stadium, there were more than 5,000 people. That's a good representation of the Gusii people and their opinion. And it's something I think Raila Odinga has noted something, and he'll go and do an aftermath to know what step he takes next after signing that MOU between him and President Ruto. Other ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll take my time to read and give you a response. And have a nice evening, ladies and gentlemen.